Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing risk. Power off or use airplane mode, and place the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Once done, press and hold the small band release button while you slide the band out along the rail. You want steady, even pressure so the latch clears without bending. Inspect the band adapters and the watch's grooves immediately for debris or visible wear. If the band won't budge, push the release again and try a slight rocking motion while pulling. Now you clean and examine the connection so reassembly is reliable. Use 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove oils and debris from the grooves and adapter contacts. Do not pour liquid onto the watch. Once done, blow short bursts of compressed air into the rails to dislodge particles and use a toothpick gently to extract lint. Make sure the adapter pins and spring bars are straight and free of corrosion. Misaligned rails or damaged pins are the most common causes of poor engagement. To finish, align the band adapter with the rail and slide it firmly until you hear or feel a click. Make sure it sits flush and resists gentle tugging. After reattachment, wear the watch and move your arm briskly to confirm the band stays secure and the rear sensors maintain contact. If the band still slips or doesn't lock, one key troubleshooting tip: inspect and, if necessary, replace the spring bar or adapter. Worn or bent hardware is often the real culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.